This is how to install Scarlet. Go to Chrome or any browser on iOS. Type and use scarlet.com. Sorry it took a long time. My brain is kinda slow, but I'm not physically slow. I'm mentally slow. It might take a million times, but it works. I'ma speed it up soon. Press install. Sped up right now. Don't click any of the ads. Direct install. Wait. You have Scarlet now. It might not work if you just delete it and then try to download it again. You have to wait like a few hours if you did that, but if you're new to it, it should show the logo. But if it doesn't work, go on settings and press on profiles, and then trust the same thing. Have a good day.